Are you looking to take your outdoor garden to the next level? Could your plants and shrubs use some extra attention? Do you want your landscape to thrive? Then say hello to the GE200 Drip Irrigation and Microsprinkler Kit. Designed for the do-it-yourselfer, everything you need for setup is included in the box. The installation process is simple. Just hook it up to your outdoor hose or faucet and follow the steps. When you use the GE200, you'll save water and start seeing the conservation benefits quickly. The GE200 takes care of your needs and is designed for a wide range of layouts, covering more than 700 square feet. You'll also save money. Have the yard you've dreamed of without paying top dollar. You can have a lush landscape and a blooming garden you're proud of. Turn your dream into a reality with the GE200 Drip Irrigation and Microsprinkler Kit.